I about fell into fire. Oh my goodness, that is a lot.
Good job, Eli.
I did it. Oh, Timmy get no credit.
What kind of pan is that you got in your hand?
What?
Whoa, hold it tight. Oh, there's the meat.
I don't know why that felt so good, but it felt good.
Welcome back. Today's a special day for me and Timmy because we get to introduce our little brother not only to motorcycles, but to camping. So let me introduce you to him.
Hi, my name is Eli. Mate, can you do me a favor and hammer the crap out of that subscribe button?
He got it.
New beard grump.
So we're gonna take him on some gravel roads, get him a little bit of a adventure bike experience, go up to the mountains, do a little camping. So there might not be much riding in today's video. It's gonna be a whole lot of camping. Hopefully a whole lot of smiles and happiness out of this little kid, because introducing somebody new to the world of motorcycles and camping should be high on the list. Let's get on the bikes and let's get after it.
Thank you for the video.
We're off. It's Eli's first time really riding a motorcycle, and his first time riding in motocross boots and stuff, so it's a little different for him. He said it was hard to get on the bike. And he's been wanting to go camping and be on YouTube and all that stuff for a long time, and I don't know if he wants to go camping more and he wants to be on YouTube or ride a motorcycle more. I have no idea, but we don't really care. We just want to take him and try to introduce him into stuff that we did when we was a kid, and try to give him the experiences of maybe falling in love with motorcycles, camping, being outdoors or something, because we all know kids need that these days. They all just play video games and stuff. So with him being 8 years old, can't wait too much longer because it'll be too late for him. So we're trying to give him some experiences now. So I think he's gonna have a good time. We'll try to keep everything PG since he's a kid, and try to make this video our kid friendly, family friendly version of a video today. Alright, we decided to take a little detour before we go find camp at the fish hatchery down here in Walhalla. Something y'all don't know about Eli, he loves fishing. He watches YouTube fishing channels all the time, and we was gonna try to fish this weekend, but we ain't had no rod small enough to take. So he's never been to the fish hatchery, which has got a crap ton of trout and different types of fish. So we're gonna surprise him with a fish hatchery visit right quick. At least it cooled down in here, y'all. This feels good right now. Part right here. Eli, we got a surprise for you now. I think you're gonna like it because you like fishing, don't you?
Yep.
You watch all kind of fishing YouTube channels, don't you?
Yep.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah. We should have run tilapia. They love tilapia.
You don't want to swim with them because you're kind of scared of them when you swim with them.
So he knows stuff about fishing. He said fish like to eat tilapia, I guess.
Oh my.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness, that is a lot.
It's all trout, Eli.
Are those catfish or something?
Trout.
Trout?
Yep.
Dang. Those are the fully grown ones?
Look how big them are, Eli.
They're so big.
He's got a big mouth.
Oh no, one died.
We could probably get him, I guess. That's what they look like.
Yep, he did.
Yep, he did.
What do you think about the fish hatchery, Eli?
It was fun!
You liked it?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. Uh-oh, I almost got it.
Now, we'll go get on the bikes and
Okay.
get after it. Take him on some gravel roads now.
First,
adventure
we have to try to catch.
always continues. This is Eli's first real experience riding a motorcycle off-road. Well, on gravel anyway. He's already been talking about we on the mountain, in the mountains and all this stuff. He likes it. He's never been to the mountains, never seen a river. Now, he likes fishing and all that stuff, but he never gets to do any of this kind of stuff. So he's getting a full real deal adventure bike, the Bearded Grump experience this weekend. There's a river, Eli. Look either way. See it? And come back there and go swimming. Go swimming right there in a little bit. Gonna break Eli in right today with some mud puddle crossings and a little creek crossing too. This will be my first tandem 2-up creek crossing. Should be pretty easy though. Alright, first tandem creek crossing for me. Eli's first. I don't think this one's too bad most of the time though. Just camp right here. Our campsite, Eli. We got our camp set up. Eli's been helping us out while we've been setting our tents up. He actually got all these sticks, pieces of wood, helping collect firewood tonight, so Timmy ain't got to do it all. Y'all know I don't mess with too much of that green stuff because I'm allergic to poison ivy. Eli ain't though. Are you?
Nope. I quit fire.
You quit fire duty?
Yep.
Why'd you quit fire duty?
Too scary.
Too scared?
I am
what you scared of?
I am not leaving this tent.
Why?
You quit fire duty.
What you scared of?
Snakes.
Snakes?
There ain't no snakes.
You got big boots on.
Snakes.
What'd you say earlier about your boots?
Indestructible.
So so there you go. Go find some firewood.
All right.
You can pee anywhere you want out here.
Yeah.
It's free out here. You can do whatever you want.
But you can't poop out here.
Yeah, you can poop out here if you want. We rode right down the road to let Eli see the river for the first time. We're gonna go swimming. See what he thinks about that. He ain't never swam in any cold water. What you gonna think about that? You don't know yet?
I don't know yet. The only thing that I know that it's going to be cold.
It's gonna be cold. That's right.
That's good.
There it is, Eli.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
You like it?
It's big.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
What you think about it? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You gonna swim in it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You got to swim in it. You gotta get the real deal experience. Eli, what'd you call trout again? What you been calling them?
Trout?
Now it's like bubble gum.
He's been calling. He thought we said trout was tramps.
Now that I think about it, it's not that cold.
He said, "Look at all these tramps in here."
Now
But you
that I
mean the
think about
trout?
it, it's like 0 cold.
What are you?
Dolphin.
Get me one then. Show me what you got. Short.
Oh God.
It's so cold.
I can't touch.
Don't even try it.
Go, Eli, go!
You touch when you get over here. Beautiful.
Climb.
I got you. You climb on
Spiders.
yourself now.
Spot. No, there's no more spots. More slide.
How'd you like your first experience with swimming in the river?
It was okay.
Just okay?
Yeah, cause the horse flies.
The horse flies, you don't like them?
No, they tried to bite me.
Well, he didn't like the horse flies, but I guess he's getting the experience nonetheless. Now we're going back to camp, see what else we get into, and see what Timmy has in store to cook for us tonight. We're back at camp chilling. It was a thunderstorm in the area and it rolled over top of us, I think. We cooled down just a little bit, but just for reference for y'all, it's like 95, 97 degrees or something like that today. So that little passing cloud cooled it down. Now it's right back to swamp assing.
That little cool off earlier is well worth this, right?
Boom! I forgot what to say for a sec.
Get all over the charcoal. There you go. Yeah, like you've done this shit before, man. What the hell? You're freaking me out, actually.
Dang, already.
Ready? Eli, what kind of pan is that you got in your hand?
Walk.
Well, hold it tight. Oh, there's the meat. What are you cooking for us? What's you and Timmy gonna cook for us?
Tacos.
Tacos and what else? Tacos.
Rice.
Oh, rice. There's the Mexican rice right there. So Timmy's got some hard shell tacos that the shells actually made it. Some Mexican rice. We'll fry the meat in a wok. He's gonna try to do all that over that bed of charcoal over there. And he's got some tomatoes. What else you bring? Tomatoes, lettuce,
Lettuce,
salsa.
salsa, Said Mexican rice.
He's
Do it up.
he hooked it up for us. So they about to get to cooking. I'm gonna sit back and watch like I always do. I'm gonna let these two do this.
Yeah,
We'll let Eli try it.
These two characters.
He said, yeah, he said we shouldn't have let him probably squirt that lighter fluid because he's scared he's gonna burn himself up. But it's just lighter fluid. He might be a kid, but we got to teach him right.
Yep.
Teach him some of the dangers of life.
You don't know until you go.
Eli Bourdain.
Eli Bourdain. Hell, that Bourdain. Yeah.
All right, what you got now?
That's the water I need to cook Mexican rice. And
What all's in there? In that water. What all's in the water? It looks weird.
Some olive oil and butter.
Olive oil and butter. Oh,
Gotta have
sizzling
that.
walk. Waka flocka flame. Waka waka flame. Waka waka fuck.
I don't know why that felt so good, but it felt good.
You're stirred up in there.
That one's mine.
That's yours. You gotta make sure it's
Tomato.
so.
Cheese in there.
Yep. Some salsa. Yeah.
Just a little man wants that.
A little bit of sauce on there too.
I didn't get the hot. Taste this.
You want to do a taste test,
Taste
Eli?
it. Taste test. Taste test.
What you think about it?
That is the best.
Is it good?
You guys can taste it.
That's another good dinner in the books. Timmy knocked it out of the park, but Eli said he had most of the do with it. What did you tell us earlier? That you was a good what?
Chef.
He took all the credit from you
cooked
today.
everything.
He said he took all the credit from Timmy today,
Yeah.
didn't he?
Yep.
Was that food good though, wasn't
Yeah.
He ain't even got no beard.
it? He needs a beard now.
Yeah, he needs
Yeah.
a beard now.
I need a Red Bull.
God dang.
I need some more Red Bull.
He said he's 8 years old and said he needs a Red Bull.
Rebel.
I need more Red Bull.
Is he crazy?
Red Bull is good. It is good.
I thought Hershey's worked for kids.
Oh my God.
I about fell into fire.
Don't do that.
Ow, my shoe. Look at that.
It's a caterpillar. It looks like part of the limb, don't it?
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
pretty cool.
I ain't never seen that before either. That's pretty neat.
Let's cook them and eat them, yeah.
And a slight bit of rain that we, Eli. Huh?
Right, yep.
Just a little bit, not much.
Better keep our fire going.
Yeah, hopefully so.
Yeah, keep the fire going.
Grumpy pump, that will help.
The grumpy pump, Timmy got it with the grumpy mouth.
I did that.
Good job, you got the fire back going.
Yep.
Good job, Eli.
I did it all. Timmy get no credit.
All right, Eli, it's getting late in the day, almost dark time. What have you thought about your first motorcycle moto camping extravaganza experience with the Bearded Grump?
It was very fun. I really liked the off-roading and fish, seeing the fish.
Did you
And
like riding down the road with one hand hanging off, throwing peace signs at Timmy?
Yeah.
What you gonna think about sleeping in the dead of night in the darkness of the mountains?
I don't know yet, cause only thing that I know is that it's gonna be a little scary.
A little scary?
Yeah.
Well, this video is not over yet. We're probably gonna sit by this fire a little bit and just chill, because it's gonna get too dark to film. But stick around, because we're gonna get Eli's thoughts of how he did sleep in the morning, because he's never been out here in this dark woods with all these bears and coyotes
Snakes.
and Draculas and snakes. He's scared of spiders, so we'll
He's
see how the
scared of
boy
flies.
sleeps tonight. Eli, how'd you sleep?
Good.
How'd you like your night in the woods in the darkness?
It was pretty hard to sleep because I had to go and pee, but I did not want to. But I did not want to pee because the snakes and stuff. and it was midnight. It was midnight. It was midnight. So.
Did you hear that music playing from them people down there? You did?
Yeah.
Did you sleep all right though? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I slept. When I peed, I slept pretty. I went back in there. I slept pretty good.
The camper trip was fun.
Yeah.
You liked it even though it's raining this morning? It's like it's rained all night.
Yeah.
Wet, damp,
That was getting
nasty.
on my nerves actually.
Yeah.
I kind of, why is it raining?
So you liked it though?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you heard it here, folks. He liked it. I'm sorry it's kind of dark. It's just cloudy this morning, kind of rainy. But we're gonna get all this stuff packed up as you see behind us. Go home, dry some stuff out. We appreciate y'all watching. It's the end of this video. So definitely appreciate it. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. And what we say to them, Eli?
Boom.
Appreciate it. See y'all in the next one. See y'all later.